Hi, Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic. This week we will talk about crystals for patience. This is sort of a continuation of the back to school theme we started last week, but this time we are seeing it from the other side, the teachers, way showers, daycare worker, etc. Now, before I start, there is a basic energy to set the tone for communication and patience, especially in professions of service, and that is the goodwill, the love you have for what you do and what drives you to help others. Any pink crystals, like pink or manganese calcite for love, compassion, and acceptance. Pink tourmaline for being a good listener and open up to understanding. And let's not forget rose quartz, the unconditional love. As for the others, I could have broken this down into different learning areas, but I thought it would be easier to understand and more fun to break it down by age group. So let's get to it. Small children. With small children, we have the challenge of language skills and whatever home situations and environment they're being raised in. Now, add to that children we are seeing these days are crystals or some indigos, and some of them, depending on the age, are still struggling with the two words in a manner of speaking. It takes more than patience. It takes certain abilities on the teacher or caregiver or a parent to understand what is happening with the child. And from this part, well, we need to tap into subtle energies and the extra dimensional senses. Don't get scared, because we all have them. Anyways, for small children, dumortierite and blue lace agate for their calming energy and to promote patience. These also facilitate communication and clear expression of ideas. Now, for teenagers and young adults, we're dealing with life changes, social or peer pressure, some anger issues, and attitudes. So rhodonite will be your best friend, bringing in the component of emotional balancing, calms impatience and grounds negative energies, helps to remain calm in tense situations. Communication can be a challenge for those who haven't found their voice yet, so that's why chrysocolla helps with speaking from the heart. Now, adults or people of adult age. When we're dealing with adults, we can have anything from grounded, reasonable people to those with limiting beliefs and unproductive patterns of thoughts and behaviors. This is a crystal that will help you embrace your psychic abilities, reveals what's in the shadow and what's behind the issues, and enhance your intuition. Moonstone. When using it for the purpose of helping you be more patient, charge moonstone to promote emotional intelligence, awareness of the triggers, and balance those emotions. You can add aquamarine to promote clear and effective communication. Now, let me know in the comment section below, what is your patience challenge and what crystals have you used so far to help with that? Also, let me know when you try one of these crystals I just talked about in this video. Don't forget to download your free guide and check the links below for crystal classes. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.